Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. On this video I'm going to show you guys how to change your language on Redmi Note 13 Pro. So it's very obvious way. You have to go to your setting on the upper. When you open your toggle on the upper of your screen, you just click on the settings and then scroll down until you can find these additional settings. Okay, you just click on additional settings. After that, you can see this is the language and inputs. This language and inputs, you just click on it and then find this language. It's listed all the language available on your phone. So if you want to go to for English, and then you just press on English and then you're good to go. And then if you want to click for Italiano, for example, you just click Italiano and then you're good to go. So that's it, very simple tutorial. I hope it's helpful for you. If it does, please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching, guys. See you on the next video. Bye bye.